hakapor nyoshteng minwien. Kynhun Myntri ke jela nin kesngi kala Mynjur Jakarta na benta ke jing Thung ha ki Tnad Treikam Sorkar kini ki Tnad Treikam ki kentop ya Tnad kampo yeng excise registration, taxation and stamps, home guards and civil defence, prisons and correctional services, but ka Tnad forest but environment. Unong aiktien ka Sorkar jela uba pol lingdo ula batai ba namar ki jing dawa ha ka kam don kami ki kertong banlong ki bedang samla ki basmat basting bat baminot bat kumta la penbet Jakarta na benta kite ki Tnad Treikam karai jong ka Kynhun Myntri ka thumu ben pentik na baga jing Thung kam kan ya bet renti bat ka jinglong jingman jong ki benta hapo kini ki Tnad Treikam.
All of these posts are those which require people who will be young in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today. We will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months. It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem.